Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 14th August 2025, Adimasam 29th, Thursday, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishmarado, Adimasam, that is Kadaka Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 6:24 a.m. Panjami, then Shashti, Guruvasaram, Thursday, Nakshatram up to 11:38 a.m. Revadi, then Ashwini Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Kuliyagalam 9 to 11:30 a.m. Good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. Then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam up to 8:36 a.m. Simharashi, then Kannirashi. Shulam South. Prayachitam Jinjali oil. Shraddha Tithi Shashti. Today Shashti.